Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, we will be seeing how can you just fix your Verizon Wi-Fi extender fast blinking yellow. So here's a guide to move it closer, farther, or repair it. Fix 1. Move the extender closer to the router. If the extender is too far away, it may not receive a strong Wi-Fi signal. You need to unplug the extender and place it within 10 to 15 feet of your Verizon router. Plug it back in and wait for around 2 to 5 minutes. Check whether the light changes to solid white or another normal status. Fix 2. You can restart both the devices. Unplug the Verizon router, unplug the Wi Fi extender, wait for about 60 seconds, and plug in the router and let it fully start up. Plug in the extender and wait for it to reconnect. Fix 3. Repair the extender. You can press the WPS button on your Verizon router. Within 2 minutes, press the WPS button on the extender. Wait for several minutes for the repairing process to finish, and the blinking yellow light should stop once the connection is successful. Fix 4. Check the Ethernet cable if it is wired. Make sure the cable is securely connected. Inspect the cable for damage. Try a different Ethernet cable or LAN port on the router if needed. Fix 5. You can reset the Wi-Fi extender. You can locate the reset button, press and hold it for 10 to 15 seconds until the lights change and wait for the extender to restart and set it up again using the Verizon's app or WPS. Fix 6. Update the extender's firmware. You can open the My Verizon app or sign into your Verizon router's admin page. Check for available firmware updates for the extender. Install any updates and restart the extender if prompted. Fix 7. You can check the router's connection. Confirm the router has an internet connection. If the router is offline, you can fix the router connection before troubleshooting. And Fifth is you can contact the Verizon support. If the extender continues to blink yellow after trying these steps, the device may have a hardware issue or the requires additional troubleshooting from Verizon. That's it for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also do hit the subscribe button.